What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to use Up Your Music Video Promos Volume 1 on a computer, and this also works on a mobile device. So let's go ahead. As soon as you have the PDF open in front of you, simply just scroll down and let's start looking for a template to use. We're going to start with template number 1, and as you can see, we have two sections here. We have the feeds and timeline section, reels and stories for long format. So whatever you desire, go ahead and click that format size. We're going to go with the 1080 by 1080 square format. Use template. Okay, now you have the template open in front of you. We're going to change three things. This photo up here up top, this photo, and this video in the middle. Alright, so let's start with the video. Just drag in your music video, and you can do that by going to the upload section here on the left hand side. Make sure that's clicked. Go to videos, and you can just simply drag and drop your music video into this library and then drag it onto the screen. Okay, and it should play automatically. And what you can do to fast forward this music video is, say you want a specific part to play. Let's see. You can just drag the cursor left or right to make it shorter or longer. And if you notice here on this side, left side, it says 42 seconds. That's how long your video is going to be. All right, so just keep mind of that. If you want it 30 seconds, just drag it to 30 seconds. Okay, now let's start changing these images. Okay, double click the image if you want to move it to a particular part. All right, double click, oops, drag and drop, double click, and just move up or down. All right, it's starting to look pretty good. Go to artist name, let's change that. Let's change the song name. This song is called Sheetrock, produced by, all right. The next thing we're going to do is just play it. Here at the top right, it says 30 seconds. All right, and that looks really good. If you want to do anything else, you can animate some of these things by going here at the top section, animate. And let's try something here. Let's try with disco, and we'll play that again. Cool, very cool. All right, and if you want to change anything else, just go ahead. If you want to change colors, say on this font, go to the top section here where it says text color, and the text will change. This has an effect layer, so if you put an effect on a font or a text, these are all your effects right here, right? Outline, neon, anything like that. Right now, it has a minor effect, okay? But you can also use no effect. All right, so let's see here. Let's change the color to blue. Let's change the color to blue. All right, let's see what that looks like. All right, now it looks pretty good. Now the next step is to download. So we're going to here at the top right where it says share, and we're going to go to download, MP4 video, 1080 by 1080, and just hit download. And you'll have the status bar down here. Once that's done downloading, just simply airdrop it to your phone, airdrop it to whatever, and upload it to your Instagram or social media platform of your desire. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, hit us up at thisisupperside@gmail.com. Peace.